Hey guys, we're doing another Poshmark Q&A, but can I just tell you guys before we start this video, something amazing happened last night. If you're a mom, you'll think this is amazing. Okay, so after dinner, the children were watching TV. They were watching, what the hell's the name of that show? Tots? It's on the Disney Channel. The episode that was on was a cleaning episode, or Cleaning Day it was called. And this song came on called Cleaning Day. My 5-year-old was like, "Sissy girl," that's what she calls Sorella, my 3-year-old. She was like, "Sissy girl, let's clean." I'm like, what is this? What are they doing? The song was playing. It's Cleaning Day. I'd play it, but it's probably copyright. And they cleaned up the entire living room. Like, they cleaned up all their toys just because the stupid song was playing. So you can bet your ass Mama downloaded that song. We're gonna be playing that song every day, so they clean up every day. Every day is cleaning day. They were so excited, and I made it like a race. I was like, okay, the song's like a minute and a half long. I'm like, okay, we gotta clean up before the song's over. Because, you know, I don't want to play it like 16 times in a row. I mean, if I have to, I will. Life changing, you guys. Okay, let's get into this Poshmark Q&A. This is the third video I filmed today. I have the same outfit on. We're just rolling with it. First of all, let's talk about a new exciting announcement that Poshmark has made. Wendy, my girl Wendy, she always comments on my videos. I feel like I see her name a lot, so what's up? She said, "Have you seen this? Poshmark. We've expanded our catalog to include personal care and more. Now you can buy and sell a variety of beauty items, including skincare." Okay, go ahead. Now you can buy and sell a variety of beauty items, including skincare, hair, bath and body products, plus select toys and games. So on their website, they have a picture of the new items that you can sell. It says you can sell hairspray, but I don't know how that's flammable. And then if you go down at the bottom and read the little asterisk, it says personal care products must be new, alcohol-free, and aerosol-free. Is there such thing as a hairspray that's aerosol-free? Any liquid products must be in their original sealed packaging. Sellers are responsible for carefully packaging liquid items, and Poshmark is not liable for any items damaged in transit as a result of poor packaging. So all this stuff, again, has to be new. You can't sell the old, dirty, used shit. Which, who wants to buy old, especially makeup? Ooh, who wants to buy used makeup? Ooh. So yeah, I will like pop the graphic up here on the screen so you guys can take a look at this. Yeah, I mean, you can sell like grooming tools now, hair tools, you can sell wigs and extensions, and you can sell toys and games. You can sell action figures, building sets and blocks, dolls and accessories, learning toys, cars and vehicles, puzzles and games. I don't think they have to be new. I'm not sure. Next question. Have you ever purchased a bundle with the intent to resell, but the seller asks why you're selling their items? This happened to me. She commented on my listing that I was selling for higher than what I bought it for from her and doesn't make my listings look good. Please give me advice. Mark her comment as spam and it will delete her comment. That's really the only way to delete comments. I've had people confront me being like, "Why are you selling this for higher?" It's like, because that's what I do. I buy things and I sell them for a higher price. That's just what I do. No offense to you. You know, like, it's not my fault. You didn't know you could sell this for triple the amount that you sold it for. It's not my issue. So yeah, I mean, I've straight up told people that before. I've had people comment on my listings being like, "Oh my gosh, you bought this from me for like $4 and you're selling it for $50. Like, what are you doing?" And I just leave the comment, and sometimes I will just block the person. Other times I will communicate with them and just tell them, "Hey, like, I'm a reseller. This is what I do. I purchased from you. It's out of your hands. Like, it's really none of your business what I do with it. You know, like, you got your money fair and square. We're done." Yeah, definitely delete her comment, because you're right. Like, people will see that and it just doesn't look good. But yes, I have had that happen many times, and like I said, I either explain it to them or I just block them and just move on. Next question. How often do you thrift? How do you make time when you have 4 kids? You must get a babysitter. I get this question a lot. People ask me, like, "You have 4 kids, how do you go thrifting?" I'm like, I bring them with me. I don't have a nanny. You know, we don't have family that watches the kids regularly. I have like my in-laws that live kind of close. My mom doesn't live close to me. She lives 45 minutes away. So yeah, I bring my kids sourcing with me. Not so much now, not since the whole coronavirus thing. They have not been out in stores since like February was the last time they were in a store. Yeah, so like now when we go thrifting, they just wait in the car. We have Brady wait in the car with them. He hangs out with them. We have 2 DVD players in our car. They watch movies, they eat snacks, and they're good. But yeah, before the coronavirus, they would go thrifting with us, and yeah, we just did what we had to do. I would love to have a nanny. That would be amazing. Or like a babysitter that would watch the kids. Like, not just for that, just in life. Like, especially now we're gonna have 5 kids. Like, I would love a nanny. I love my kids. Like, I am obsessed with my children. I love being around them. If I need a break, it's only a break for like an hour or 2, because then I miss them and I want them back. One time, I'm going off on a tangent here, but there was one time when my husband and I went away for the weekend. It was for our wedding anniversary. We went away for the weekend, and I was pregnant with Abilene. Actually, yeah. We were only like 2 hours away from them, and I just missed them so much. We literally almost left in the middle of the night and came home because I missed them so much. Like, I was crying. Like, it was... I was pregnant at the time too, so maybe it was pregnancy emotions, but yeah, I can't be away from my kids for too long. Like, I do enjoy my breaks, like, you know, like taking a bubble bath or something, but, you know, as far as like going away from them for like an extended period of time, even like overnight, that's pushing it. Anyway, sorry, I'm like going off on a tangent. My battery's gonna die, so let's finish this. Okay, last question. How do you find good deals on Poshmark? I feel like I can never find any. So when I search on Poshmark, I search for usually like specific brands. So let's do this. Let's do this together. Let's search for, I don't know, a Nike shirt, because that's what I'm wearing right now. Nike tank top. Let's search for that. Nike tank top. Go on search. And then I'm going to go to sort. And I'm going to sort from low to high. And it's going to show you the items low to high. So I just do that. And then, you know, I'll go to their closet. Like, this person has this Nike tank top for $3, so I'm gonna go to their closet and see if there's anything else I can bundle. Oh, there is. Should I do this? Should I do this? This person, hold on. Okay. I'm checking to see if they're active, because I have found so many times where I've like done this search low to high and I found so many cheap things, and like the last time they were logged in was, it doesn't even say, that's how long ago it was. So you always want to check to see when the person was last active, and you can tell that by either going to one of their listings and seeing when it was last shared. Some people don't know to share their listings, so that might not be a good indication. You can also go to their about on their closet, and it'll say next to their name the last time that they shared something. This person says last active 5 hours ago. I'm actually gonna stay in their closet because they've got some really cheap things. So yeah, so that's what I do. I just sort low to high and just kind of go from there. I always make bundles, because, you know, like if I were to buy this like one tank top that's $3, it doesn't make sense because shipping is $7.11. So I'm, you know, paying $10, a little over $10 for this tank top. That's like no longer a deal to me, you know? So yeah, that's what I do. It does take time. Like I literally spend hours sometimes scouring Poshmark. So don't think that, you know, you're just gonna be able to search and find something very quickly. Hold on, Mom, I'll call you back after this video. That's my little tip. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. You can send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.